Okay, so if you want to bring in a picture to use with our laser engraver, you're going to want it downloaded already on your computer from the internet or sent from your phone or wherever it is. And then you can find that picture by using this little place image button and find your picture wherever it is saved on your device. So I have this picture here. So if I want to change the size of it, maybe I need it to be a very specific height so that it doesn't come off of the wood, or whatever I'm doing. You can change it over here. So you might notice that there's this little dot in the middle that you can click on and off. And then when it's filled in, that means it's on and it's gonna keep the ratio. So when I change the size of one of these, so maybe I change this to 8, it'll automatically change the width to keep that same ratio and not skew the picture at all. So there is that picture. You can also crop in here, but cropping gets a little tricky with also having to have it a specific size. So if you do need it cropped at all, I would crop before you bring it in, and you can get your picture all set up with sizing and things like that. Something that might also be helpful is you can turn on rulers in this view canvas, show rulers, and you can drag out these guidelines to mark like how big your material is. So maybe you have a piece of wood that's 5 inches by 7 inches and you want to put a couple of different designs in here. You can play with your picture and make it smaller and add a caption with text or things like that if you're trying to do something a little bit more creative and see how it actually lays out on a piece of wood. Those guidelines can be really helpful that way. So again, you just want to make sure you save your document. So I would save it to the cloud just to make sure you know where it's going. So I saved it over something else by accident. So just make sure you can create new folders, change the name, and save it. And that's where you can do that.